Hello everyone, welcome to iSpecss. Infinity, a Samsung subsidiary, has recently released a bunch of wireless audio devices. Today we have Infinity Glide 100 Bluetooth earphones with us, and in this video I'm gonna be unboxing and taking a quick overview. Package is simple and good. Main features are highlighted at the back side of the box, and inside the box we get a user manual and warranty information leaflets. A low quality USB cable, 2 extra pairs of ear tips with different sizes to make earphones fit comfortably in your ears, and finally we have the earphone. As you can see, this doesn't have a neck band, it's just a wire, and while you have it around your neck, you won't feel like you are wearing it because it weighs as less as 15 grams. The power button, volume up and down buttons, mic and micro USB ports all comes to the right side of your shoulder, and at the left it doesn't have anything. This earphone has Bluetooth 5.0 but it does not connect to 2 devices at a time. It comes with IPX5 sweat and splash proof. It claims to have 7 hours of playback in single full charge, and it takes 2 hours to fully charge. This earphone has a unique feature called dual equalizer. You have to press volume up and down together to switch between 2 EQs. One is normal and another is deep bass. Deep bass is default, and while the volume is 100%, particularly in this mode, there is a heavy crackle sound, and that is not at all good. Sound is decent if the volume is 80% and below. Mic is just okay for calls on this earphone. Person in the other side will hear loud enough if you hold mic near your mouth. Coming to the build quality, this is actually not the best in this segment. It is all plastic and has magnetic ear drives, and they will not automatically stick together unless you do. But the magnets are strong enough to hold. The price is 1700 rupees. In fact, I got it for 1300 rupees in a launch deal from Amazon. Links to buy are in the description below. Check them if you are interested in buying these. Please share this video with your family and friends in case if they are planning to buy a Bluetooth earphones. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to iSpecss for more informative tech videos. Have a great day.